We're fogging up.
Some things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got that hit on your head. Should've buried your dead. Should've listened to me and said, oh, how little you know. You better watch out, my friend. When it goes dark, you better lay low. When it goes dark, you better
First fishing trip of 2025!
You!
Woo!
And we're off! We're off and racing!
It's on!
We're going to be an hour and a half steam. Then we're going to be dropping a line, see if we can't wrangle a few fish.
I'm gonna get the biggest goldie, I promise you.
You heard it from my mouth, biggest goldie. Let's go. Can't see much that way. We're a little over halfway to our destination. Just having a quick breather and then we'll keep heading on, but beautiful, nice and clear here. You won't be able to see it, but yeah, that sun's not doing us justice, but yeah, beautiful and clear. Yeah, can you see it? Beautiful, eh? Beautiful, nice and clear. Absolutely amazing, what do you reckon?
I reckon it's pretty good.
Phew! Anyway, we'll keep steaming.
Oh,
You're on.
not a big one, but something. Today, I feel like out fishing Dad.
What do you got?
First fish of 2025 is get in there.
Can see it. Looking like the right colour, maybe. Looking like a shark.
No.
Hey, well done.
Well,
Well
fish of
done.
2025.
There you go. What'd you get?
Little goldie.
It's not little.
Ooh. This one's bigger.
There you go.
Sabrina's got a bigger fish.
You alright?
Yeah. It's just a little bit bigger. Ah! I stepped on something. No! Is it gone? Oh, is it?
Did you lose it?
I don't know. Sure? Maybe? Maybe it's just not fighting?
I lost my bait.
Oh no.
Nice one.
Sabrina's got another one.
Nice Goldie. I was just feeding them. Alright, I'll sort him out for you. You're getting bigger.
I'm getting bigger.
I've been feeding him. That's him, you got him on or what? No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just a little one.
Like when it pulls up a big 1 meter. You're just like a little baby. Oh, you're on.
Oh, I got the baby one of the lot. Oh. Little Moses.
Oh, there's a saw.
True. Oh no.
Did you catch a bigger fish?
There's a bit of running, you probably need bigger sinkers.
Alright, on again.
Wow, it's small.
Where's all the big fish at?
We might have to move a bit. Jesus. Oh wow.
Oh. Oh. Not bad.
Yeah. Might have to move a bit. What do you got going over here?
Like getting something bigger. Bigger than what I got. Maybe not. Maybe
I
yeah.
think it's the right colour. It is. Well done.
He's singing this little song.
Awesome.
Well, at least mine is as awesome as yours.
Hey, I haven't even got one in the thing here yet. It's all you.
What are you doing? Catching the
Need bigger sinkers though. It's pretty You alright? That's a better one though.
Maybe it's just a strong fighter.
No, that's a better one.
That's what you're doing.
I just dropped a big one. Hold on, Sabrina, hold on to it. That's a big one though. I just dropped a big one. You're alright. You're alright. Keep it going. This is the proper one.
This better be bigger than 84 centimeters.
I don't think it'll be that big, but it's a good one.
Next minute, shark. Mackerel. Can you see it yet?
No. You don't want it to be shark. You're doing good. Don't worry, I dropped my big one. I had a big one too. Keep going.
I got this. I can sense the fish.
I can see it.
Fishy. Come to me.
Look at the shark up its ass. You're right, you're right. Stop, 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 stop.
I just gave him a concussion.
Look at the size of that. Bring him over here.
Whoa, that's big Jerry.
Yeah, hold him. There you go, Sabrina, look at that. Huh?
Pretty good. Excuse me, did they just take my bait again? Oh my god, biggest fish.
Did you lose your bait or? Oh, of course I get the smallmouth. Arsehole. So I just got a little red emperor. Hopefully Sabrina gets on here.
Alright, so today Sabrina's
smaller.
actually going to catch something. Finally, on after feeding the fish for ages.
Yep, keep going. Go, go, go. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, reefed you. That would have been a red emperor.
I don't think it's any big.
No,
No. Maybe like
a bit bigger.
20 centimeters.
So they're sitting up off the bottom a bit, they are. You make a little fish look big, you know that?
Oh, sorry, hold on, let me just...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jesus! Oh, nice little nanny. Beautiful. Alright, so we got a few fish, as you would have seen by now. We're dealing with like 34-degree heat, at least 70% humidity, and it is absolutely stinking hot. Hey.
Yeah, I think I'm sunburned. Am I sunburned?
Nah, you put sunscreen on, you're right. You are a little bit.
I feel like I'm burning.
Yeah, a little bit. Anyway, so what we've done is we've just thrown the trawling rod, put the 6 meter diver on, the Laser Pro Helco, and we're just going to go for a trawl for a mackerel, and then when we get around the corner here we might go for a flick for a trout, and then probably just trawl along and see how we go. We already got a fair few good fish, as you would have seen. Oh yeah. So yeah, anyway, we'll see how this goes. We'll get back to you if we hook onto anything.
Oh, look at
Lure's working perfect. Plenty on the sounder. See how we go. We'll wait for the bzzz. A few storms getting around. Oh, not storms so much, but rain. That's probably why it's so hot. But anyway, we'll get back to you if we get anything. Alrighty.
So today, oh,
just trawling through, you right? Might be a trout, hopefully. Is it going?
I don't know.
Just keep going. Might have to circle back. Might have spat it. Oh no, it's coming. I think you got a little trout, eh?
Oh, I think I'm just dragging it.
Yeah, that's alright. A little troutos.
Is that a trout?
Yeah, a trout.
It's so cute. Get away from...
That's a good one, yeah. Keep him coming. Keep her. Just watch yourself so it doesn't kick. Yeah, Sabrina!
Yo!
Alright, hang on.
I think that hook's about to come out of his
Yeah,
mouth.
yeah, we're lucky there. There you go, let go of that lure.
I can show off the trout lure with the trout.
Look how fat he is. Well done.
Is he pregnant?
Looks pregnant, or what?
I think it's pregnant. Why is its stomach like a square?
Unreal. Alright, hang on. Don't touch that lure, though. I don't want you getting hooked. I'll get it out for you.
Why is it over there? my dragon's a bit dodgy.
It's alright. Possible trout again.
I think it's a trout. I'm sensing trout.
Come on.
I can smell it. It's small.
You can see the bottom. Keep going.
Is it gone?
Oh, it might be. Just keep going. Keep on. If it is, we'll double back because obviously they're hanging around the bombies here.
Oh no.
No, it's good. It's good.
Oh.
Nice one. Nice. A little bit smaller, but he's alright.
He's cute.
Hold that. Just watch him flick and get you.
Oh, he's hooked in the side. He's not even proper hooked.
There he is. Alright, hold that. Beautiful.
Look how he's hooked. Take a look at that.
Not as big as the last one, but still.
Ripped his mouth open.
Yeah, that's how you lose them. See how they got that soft lip? Ooh.
Calm down.
Ooh, steady
Barry
up.
2.0.
Hey!
Oh yeah! Guys, my little... I was about to say barra. This isn't my barra.
No, it's not a barra. That would be a trout. Bar cheek. He's got the nice little beautiful bars there. Whoa, whoa, hey!
Wait, calm down.
Fat too. All these trout have been feeding up. Well, let's double back on that. They seem to be hanging out here, eh?
What's that? There's something crawling on him.
Oh yeah, it's just a sea lice or something. Very good. After a flying start, we'll try them for a mackerel, but hey, we found Trout City. Eyo. Keep going. All right, we're on again. You're up. This must be a mackerel or something. It's something good. You okay?
Yeah, it's just a bit hard to hold this rod.
Yeah, it is a bit hard. Let's say this is going to be silver. Oh, it's on top of the surface. Maybe it is a good trout. Hold the tension on. Keep going. Hold the tension on that line, Missy.
I'm holding the tension.
Oh, actually, this is a really good trout, I think. Or is it a mackerel?
That's not a mackerel.
No?
No. Oh no, maybe
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can only
It's a
see
little one. It's only a tiny one and you're carrying on.
Yeah, because this rod is heavy to hold.
It's alright. It's a good little mackie.
Don't mind me, I'm just...
You're alright. Keep it going. Well done. That's dinner.
Where are you going? Oh, Jesus.
Nice one, Dolly. Nice one. Mackerel for dinner or what?
Yep.
Yeah? Save your fish to take home. Alright, we'll sort this bloke out. We should have a gaff attack over here. Oops. You alright? Hang on, hang on. I didn't like that. We sold that for a tick.
Why does it smell like bacon?
Bacon. Geez, that ain't good. Oh, oh hey, you nearly got it out. Well, we've bled him.
Oh, now we're gonna beat him up.
Right there on the soft spot,
Yep.
look.
Oh, you need to get your GoPro.
Whoops. That's him, he's done.
Not that.
Put him out of his misery, just a quick whack.
Just
I'm
good.
about to lose this bloke, I am. There we go.
Ew, what is that?
What, Dom?
Floating in the water.
Oh, it's just the bloodline here. Normally don't keep much mackerel because I don't really rave them, but we'll keep this guy. There he is.
Aww. How cute.
Alright, hold him up. Nice.
Should we stand this on it now?
Yeah. Yeah, jump over this one there.
Alright, Barry, come over here.
Come on, Baz.
His name's gonna be...
Look at that. Beautiful colours on him.
This is Macaulay.
Just stand over that side of the sun. There, that's better. Lovely.
Just gonna leave my elbow up here.
Just nailed something here. So it's another Mac. Take your little button off there on the side. Get a little button on the side there. Keep wanting. Leave it slack. You got this. Took off like a mackerel, I'm thinking. Another trout would be nice.
My chin's really itchy.
Your chin. Wow, this is proper lazy man here. This is coming in easy now. Hit hard. What were you thinking, mackerel? Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, mackerel. Yeah, I can see it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey,
Hey,
come back.
steady up.
Where are you going?
Nice little mackerel, what do you reckon?
Yeah, he's cute.
Yeah, he's a good one.
I've seen bigger.
I've seen bigger. Alright, we'll sort him out. Oh, splashed my camera. Echo one. Echo. Beautiful. Alright.
We're floating away.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, here we go. 1 ounce jig heads.
That went nowhere.
Yeah. Give it a good cast like that. Alright. And let it sink a bit.
Let me recast this.
Let it sink. And then all you do is you just jig, line. Jig, line. Oh! Yep.
Oh! Oh! Is that a decent
I think I just got taken straight under a bommy, to be honest. Yep.
I'll flip sides with
Yeah, you're right. Oh, bite.
Oh!
Yep. Oh, oh, oh. Ah.
He's on!
What?
No, he's not.
Yeah, I think it's a stupid long tongue.
Long tongue.
Messed up my plastic.
Oh!
Ah!
No way.
Yeah, it was a trout. Trout. Done me. And that's how it works. Look, all under the bommy there. That was a good one.
Come on, run for 2 seconds.
Scuffed up my leader.
Oh!
Ugh, dropped it. That was a trout.
Oh! You know she's gonna go.
This is not a trout. So this is not a trout. Must be a mackerel. Must be a mackerel or something. Oh, don't go under there. Make it easy for me.
Is it big?
Oh, it's just a mackerel or a trevally or something, but it's rubbing on the bottom of the boat. I don't like that. Here, can I just swap you? You can see it. Wow. We're up Crap Creek here. Well, this is.
I got that on the phone too.
Oh, you're kidding.
Stop.
Yeah.
Oh! Bus stops over there.
You asshole.
Wait, can I get it?
You destroyed my rod.
What happened, Dad?
Got him in the side flip. Got him in the side fin there.
What's your rod?
It's in 3 bits.
Hey. Excuse me. Knock him out. Oi! Get the bat, Dad.
Just give me my hook back here.
What type of shark is it?
Just a reef shark.
Let me get the bat to it. Oh.
All right, my head mounts died. Just found a little spot on the way home, and we hooked the same fish. So I've just had to cut my line. You on?
Yep.
There we go. I thought we would have got some reds on this side, but oh, dropped it.
Oh no.
Yeah, you have to come up though. Probably lost your boat. So we'll give it another go. Yeah, they are. We'll try and go there tomorrow. I'll have to try and find them on the way home. So that's what we ended up with. 2 nice little goldies. Sabrina's going for another drop now. See how we go. Yep. Yep. Coming out of his mouth. It's probably on. Or what? Probably lost your bait though. Oh no. Yep.
What?
Are you on?
Oh.
Yeah, you're on.
Oh. Oops.
Well.
My bad.
Yeah.
I just didn't realise.
Must be little though, compared to that last one.
Oh, last one I was fishing against you.
Yeah, so we both hooked the same fish before. I got it in the head and Sabrina let it eat it whole. This one's probably going to be down its stomach like the last one because she lets them just chew it down. Ooh.
My bad.
What do we got here? Oh, stop. Keep going. Oh, nice nanny. Nice nanny.
What's it being?
Alright, it's down its stomach again. Alright, I'll sort this out. Alright. A little one, this one. Losing all your big ones.
Excuse me? Why are the little ones like such hard biters?
I don't know.
I really wish I caught that other one
Yeah,
before.
that's it. Oop. These 2 little, that one. Righto, there we go.
Alright. I'm not dropping this one.
Is it a bit better? It's a bit small though.
I think so.
Yeah. Might have got all the big ones. I still can't believe we hooked the same fish.
I can't believe you hooked my...
There we go. Today's catch. Mate, she was a hot one, got burnt, but we're heading out again tomorrow, aren't we? Taking mum and the kids out.
Finally.
Oh.
Guys, no, you gotta look at my...
Oh. Anyway, cheers for watching that one. See you on the next one.